The East Mint Apartments in Charlotte, North Carolina are nestled among verdant trees. The three-story buildings frame the clubhouse. The sun shines brightly on the rectangular swimming pool, which features in-water loungers. The resident takes a walk around the Charlotte area. Upon arriving home, she is greeted by her husband in the kitchen. The home is furnished with wood-style vinyl plank flooring and custom cabinetry. The bathroom vanity features under-sink cabinetry. Stepping over to the clubhouse, the resident stops at the coffee bar for a hot cup of joe. The couple sits by the expansive windows while he gets work done on his laptop. She takes a stroll through the gaming area. Later, they go together to the swimming pool and meet up with another couple. Enjoying moments of conversation, they clink their glasses together. Next, a game of ping pong is so apropos. Back inside the clubhouse, two residents play a game of billiards. Next, they try out the hockey table. The fitness center is close by, stocked with cardio machines, lifting equipment, and free weights. Outside, residents enjoy a game of mini golf on the greens. Nearby, a resident gets out his bicycle and goes for a ride along wood-chip pathways in the forestry setting. The couple takes a trip over to the town of Mint Hill. They stop in at a local pub and enjoy some cold brews and delicious bites. A walk away leads to Publix food and pharmacy. Back at the East Mint Apartments, the champagne flows in the clubhouse. The sun sets on the apartment buildings, painted in shades of gray and white. Text: East Mint.